Are you ready for the future of transportation? Say hello to the droneport designed by UAE-based gas architectures. This cutting-edge project is set to revolutionize the way goods and people are transported, taking advantage of the latest drone technology to create a seamless and efficient system. Located in the United Arab Emirates, this droneport will serve as a central hub for a network of delivery drones, allowing for quick and convenient transportation of goods and medical supplies to even the most remote areas of the country. With a focus on sustainability, the droneport will be powered by solar energy and will feature a unique modular design that can be easily adapted to meet the needs of different locations. But the droneport isn't just about delivering packages. It will also serve as a crucial link in the transportation system, connecting people in different regions of the country with fast and efficient transport options. With the ability to transport people and goods in a fraction of the time it would take with traditional transportation methods, droneport will unlock new opportunities for economic growth and development. Talking about the design, the droneport design is planned on a modular system, using compressed earth blocks made from local soil and powered by solar energy. The droneport in the UAE, designed by Gas Architectures, is not directly related to the original concept of delivering medical supplies to remote areas. It still represents an innovative use of drones for transportation. The focus on sustainability and efficiency is also in line with the original concept, demonstrating the adaptability and versatility of the droneport design. Hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to be the first to know about our upcoming videos, exclusive content, and fascinating discoveries.